3, 2.
Hello, I'm Greta Schaffner with the Astronomy Camp Report for Long Lake Conservation Camp, August 7th through the 11th. We are lucky enough to see some pretty clear skies during the week of our camp, to have the help with the Minnesota Astronomical Society. We go out around 9:15 to watch the stars come out and see bright satellites. As it got darker, we used the 8-inch telescope to find the bright stars and some familiar constellations. Once it got really dark, we saw the Milky Way and also observed Messier 13, a large, bright global cluster, Messier 27, the Dumbbell Nebula, Messier 11, the Wild Duck Cluster, the double star Mizar and Alclar, the ET Owl Cluster. The highlight was Saturn. It rose above the trees after about 10:30. Some of us even saw Saturn's moons. On our nighttime walk to the bog, we noticed several clumps of chicken of the woods and grazed on some ripe gooseberries. Once we were in the bog, we found some sundew plants and flowering pitcher plants.
Hello, I am Reagan with the Fishing Camp Report from Long Lake Conservation Center, August 7th through the 11th. The frogs and toads were everywhere. We would walk. We saw the northern leopard frogs, American toads, including a small red one, and a large wood frog. Along with the jumping toads and frogs, and the grasshoppers were plentiful. There also saw both gardener snakes, red-belly snakes. At the feeders, we watched red squirrels, goldfinches, red-breasted grouse beaks. We learned how to spot the difference between a male and female pileated woodpecker. All the ones we saw had red mustaches. We saw the first milkweed pods and a dark monarch butterfly chrysalis. On the underside of a goldenrod leaf for the fishing report, we caught a sunfish, bluegills, largemouth, smallmouth, bass, perch, and walleye.
It was a great week in nature. We want everyone to remember to unplug, get outside, and live connected.